Hello, scrappers. Been a busy Friday. Went out and picked up this load. Got a little fan motor there from an air conditioning unit. I don't know where the coils and compressor are for it, but a couple barbecue grills, washers, dryers, a couple bicycles up on top. Yeah, looks like part of a washer dryer body there. Not really any goodies. There's a push mower down in there. Can't really think of anything too much of really good stuff in there. There is an A-frame in there that has the copper aluminum coils on it. So I brought that load in today, and then I just got back with that load a little bit ago. Went out to Chickasha to pick it up. Not sure exactly how many miles. I hit the odometer deal for trip mileage before I came back. I just never checked it. And part of a load I had yesterday that I had to dig out of a big deep fire pit. Got these couple nice pieces of plate steel. Pretty heavy. I think I can resell them on Marketplace. And I got all these posts. It looks like they're capped with cement. So I'm thinking cut it, measure from this end up 3 foot, cut it, and then see what I got at the end. Got some T-posts there and some other stuff to cut up for short iron. So I got to cut that up. I got 50 barrels here, so this is from the guy that had that other place there in Dibble, Blanchard area. These are out in Chickasha.
Schools to help those parents.
Turn this on here. I guess I got to shut the door to. And the seat is hot. Trip A, 26.3 miles. Okay, so about a little over 50, about a 52 mile round trip. That's probably about half the distance to Duncan. About half the distance to Duncan. The one nice thing about this guy is, I give $2 a barrel like I do the guy in Duncan, but I also get open tops for that price. And I see one open top right there, the far one on the truck. There's one there. There's one here because they got the silver ring, so there's at least 3. I think there's a couple more in there. Yeah, there's one there. There's 4. One on the back, 5. One over here, 6. At least, so I got at least 6 of them on there. So I really need to get rid of this. I've got those sides. I don't know if I can zoom in far enough, but they're down there. Side panels I made for the car hauler. I'm thinking about bringing them up here with the forklift or the tractor and forks. Take all the tin off of it, and then weld them right on the top of this rail. Get rid of the hog panels. Weld them on up, or cut some angle iron down, make some brackets, and bolt them on. I think they're 18 inches, so that should bring me up somewhere, about midway of the second row, which will keep it from spreading out so wide. Because this one here sits pretty square, so then I could go 6 like this, and then 3 on top if I need to, so I can put 9 per row, which that's basically what I've got right now. But if I put those sides on there, it won't be sticking way out to the side. I was kind of watching this barrel here as I was driving, because it's pushing out so far. So if those rails going straight up, then basically I'd have 2 on top of, 2, 2, 2, and then I could put 2 in 1. And it would be a lot better looking, probably a lot more solid load than what I've got. So that might be my job for the next few days after I get all this unloaded. This will catch me up on calls right now, but I still have a bunch I need to go over off County Line Road and pick up. May try to get over there tomorrow. Weather's supposed to be dry again tomorrow, but then come Sunday we got more rain coming in, Sunday, Monday. It's been a wet one. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I gotta get down and get this unloaded. I got people coming out for barrels, so guess I'll get this trailer here unloaded, and then I'll get busy on this other trailer. It's just never ending, is it? You know, one of these days I'll get to process it and get some on the dump trailer. Get a load out of here. So, hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you guys in the next one. So I'd give you an update on what I got going on, and you know, some of the scrap I'm bringing in. That's about what it is, scrap. You know, like I say, the best thing on this piece here is that one electric motor, and then I got that A-frame, copper aluminum coils, ACR, copper aluminum radiator. So, you guys all take care. Happy scrapping. Bye-bye.